Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you this. So I reacted to this one YouTuber and this video is called Fatboy Breaks Trampoline. So what we're going to be searching for is Fatboy Breaks Trampoline. See, look, here's the YouTuber I'm talking about. So, I need to give this YouTuber some credit. So Rage of Vera, you are, dude, if you're watching this video, dude, then I'm here to tell you that you're a great YouTuber. I really want to thank you, dude, for uploading this video. I really appreciate you letting me react to this video, dude. I really do. So yeah, if you guys don't remember, I made a video where I reacted to this. In my do not watch video, I reacted to this video. So if you're watching this, then I want to thank you for letting me react to your video. And this is the credit I'm going to give you. Because now that I gave you some credit, I hope you will watch this. I hope you watch this and then I hope you find out about the credit I gave you. Alright, now enough of that. Now that we gave him some credit, we will now go to my YouTube channel now. And alright, so let's go to YouTube Studio. Now we're gonna go reply to Fire Rage. Alright, now let's go to comments. My channel, and don't worry guys, so we're gonna read this. He is right, if you don't give credit, you could get copyright, which means they could ban you if you do it 2 more times. Can I block the haters? Fire Rage is not a hater. He's telling the truth. He's also my friend. It's true, he is not a hater. So we're gonna reply, gave that YouTuber some credit. There we go. I gave that YouTuber some credit. So now I'm gonna reply to Fire. Alright. I gave that YouTuber some credit. Alright, so Fire Rage, if you're watching this right now, Fire Rage, then I'm wanting to let you know that I gave that YouTuber some credit. You're welcome. And you're not a hater. You're a good YouTuber. I really want to check out your videos, and don't worry, I gave that YouTuber some credit, so don't worry. See, look, what? Okay, guys, so now let's react to this video now. Now let's comment. Fire Rage. I gave that YouTuber some credit. Okay, so there we go. And Fire Rage, you really are a great YouTuber. And just for you being a great YouTuber, I am going to like your video. There you go. There you go. Now I liked your video. Now I'm gonna subscribe to you and hit that notification bell. Okay, there we go. Now I'm showing you some support. Oh, what's this? Put subtitles on Noodles 346 alert. What is this? Is that my cousin Ray? How's it going, buddy? Okay. Alright. So, now that we got that out of the way, I'm just wanting to let you guys know that I am not trying to show any hate. I just want to make videos for you guys. And I do, and just to let you guys know, I do give them YouTubers some credit. I mean, come on, guys. If I didn't give them YouTubers some credit, then I wouldn't be reacting to their videos. And if I didn't, and if I wasn't giving them any credit. I want to be a good YouTuber. It's just kind of hard with all of the stuff that's been going on. And Fire Rage YT, I want to be a good YouTuber, Fire Rage. I just want to be a good YouTuber. I hope you understand. Because I really want to keep my YouTube channel. I mean, come on, man. I gave that YouTuber some credit. And I have plenty of chances. And my YouTube channel is still going to be up. I want to, my YouTube channel, and don't worry, Fire Rage, my YouTube channel is always gonna be up. I will always give them YouTubers some credit. I mean, come on, guys, and you guys have helped me through some tough times. Ever since my first video, you guys have been here. And I really appreciate it. Oh, look, I have 28 subscribers. That is insane, guys. Well, guys, I have 28 subscribers. I'm wanting to hit 10,000 subscribers so that I can get that YouTube play button. I'm really looking forward to getting that YouTube play button. Oh, and there's a video I want to show you guys. Here it is. Here it is, guys. You can sing along if you want, guys. La 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 la. If you guys want, you can sing along in the comments. Tra la 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 la. Tra la 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 la. La 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 la. Tra la 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 la. 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4. 4 bananas make a bunch of soda, many more. Over hill and highway the banana buggies go. Coming on to bring you the banana split show. Making up a mess of fun. Making up a mess of fun. Lots of fun for everyone. Tra la 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 la. 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 4 banana, 3 banana, 2 banana, 1. All bananas playing in the bright warm sun, flipping like a pancake, popping like a cork. Fligo, bingo, drooper and snork. Tra la 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 la. Tra la 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 la. Tra la 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 la. Tra la la la. Tra la la. Why don't you say hi to my subscribers? Come say hi to my subscribers.
Hi, subscribers. I'm Jimmy's mom. I'm getting ready to go to bed now.
All right. Tell them that I'm hoping I get 10,000 subscribers. Alright guys, and I really appreciate you posting this, the Bubblegum Army. Keep posting these great videos. I really appreciate you posting this video, man. I'm even gonna comment it. I appreciate you posting this, dude. There we go. Okay, there we go. I just gave this dude some credit for posting this. So here's the rest of the video. Alright guys, let's go back now. Oh, well guys, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to smack that like button. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next